I have been looking for alternatives for hair removal that are less painful than waxing, but give the same long-lasting smoothness. And guess what? I found the Bronze Silk Epilator. Oh my god, hair removal has become so much easier. It has 40 tweezers technology, which makes epilation much faster. Wet your skin, hold the epilator at 90 degrees and glide it in the opposite direction to your hair growth slowly. See how the flexible head adapts to your curves. You might feel some pain initially, but it reduces with every use. I love how conveniently I can do this at home, and it gives me smooth skin for up to 4 weeks.
When it comes to hair removal, many women choose epilation. Why? There are many reasons. Shaving or depilatory creams remove hair on the surface, and the hair regrows within 1 or 2 days. Epilation removes hair from the root. The hair needs a few weeks to reach the skin's surface again. The result? Weeks of smooth skin, not just days. For epilation, hair doesn't need to regrow as long as for waxing. In fact, with epilators, you can remove hair that is 3 times shorter than with wax. No appointments, no mess, and no expensive refills or consumables are needed for epilation. An epilator can be used for many years, wherever, whenever. Let's face reality, epilation causes pain. The perception of this is different for everyone, especially the first time. But the long-lasting results are worth it. The good news is, pain is reduced with regular use. Brown epilators feature massage rollers that help to make epilation more comfortable. Using a wet and dry epilator in the bathtub makes the experience even better. You may have sensitive body areas or occasions where you prefer to shave or trim the hair only. Brown's 3-in-1 shaver, trimmer and epilator gives you the freedom to choose without the need for additional tools.